This is my current facial routine. So I go in with this cleanser, the Nivea cleanser. I put on some water, then I rub it on my palms, then I massage it on my face. Keep on massaging on your face to remove the dots that are on the face. Now let's go and wash the face. This is how I look like after washing my face. I'm just going to wipe with a towel. After that, I'm going to use this charcoal scrub, the black charcoal scrub. Make sure your face is a bit wet. Put a little water and then go in with the charcoal scrub. Just massage it. It's very soft. It's good for the face. It's not harsh. Now it's time to wash your face again, and then I'm introducing a new product. This one is Castle powder. It's original one. If you'd like to purchase it, I sell it. Visit my page on Facebook at Goldess Organic on Instagram, or you can reach us to order. You can reach us on the number on the page. So you just put some water and then you rub it on your palms.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Now
you're going to leave it on your face for 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah, this is the mask I'm using today. After massaging, leave it for some minutes. Then after that, when it's dry, you go ahead and rinse your face with the lukewarm water. Here is another product from Goldess Organic, shea butter, the Nilotica. Yeah, so this is what I use on my face to make me glow, plus the Castle powder. Then when I'm going out, I put on the sunscreen. Then yes, your girl is now ready to go out. Thank you for watching, guys, and please subscribe if you haven't, and see you next time. Bye.